Well, my closet sounds and feels much different now. Without talking for 20 minutes, because Joel could talk about this forever, tell us what we went with for insulation.
This is open cell foam. And we're going
versus like blown in
or closed cell foam. This is just the most ideal insulating value you can put in your house so that it costs less to heat it later on. Or to
and
cool it.
Anyone that I've told, like when I told Landon, he's like, well, your house is going to be rock solid from using that. I don't know what that means, but sure.
Well, that's one thing that's nice about it too, is as the house kind of settles, you get creaks and cracks and whatever. This is like putting glue over 100% of your house.
So it'll help with the creaks
You
and
won't hear
noises
cracks and creaks.
So we're also putting this underneath the stairs. So when kids are running up and down stairs, you're not going to hear that.
Yep. It'll be just empty sounding.
Awesome. I can feel a difference already. It's going to take about 3 days to do our house.
That's just the roof.
Oh.
They got to come back once we get our 4-way inspection, and then they'll do all the walls.
All right, cool. Well, this feels and smells exciting. It's starting to smell like a new house. I mean, I can still see your breath, but it's it's not crisp
When
and freezing.
The chemical reaction is so warm that the steam just pouring off. I mean, it just looks like he's shooting fire.
That's really awesome.
Cool.
Welcome to another We Clean Saturday, where we come in and try to clean up after Joel so that he has a good working environment, clean working environment, and no one else is going to do it if we don't. So, and Joel's time is way more valuable. It's too valuable to be spent cleaning. So here we are, right, kids?
Yeah.
Boss, you look real hard at work. Another one of the kids' jobs is to stack piles of pieces of wood that are around. Nothing smaller than like this piece right here, which isn't very big. So they throw away all the teeny tiny pieces and then they stack these. Joel likes to keep them because he doesn't want to waste any of the wood. And to be honest, it has saved us some money. He's utilized so much of these old pieces of wood. And no, it doesn't save us thousands, but hundreds add up to be thousands. And so everywhere that we can, scrimp and save, plus you don't want to be wasteful. We try really hard not to be wasteful. And so this is not what it looked like before. The kids know to stack all the tools in one place. Anything that's kind of silver like that, they know to put in one place. So we're doing our best. We don't always know where things go, but we do our best. So, all right, let's finish cleaning up. Mr. Hoellein, what is this? This piping that I see.
Well, we've got gas.
Wow, guys.
And we got gas in the house too.
Oh boy. Okay, we have gas in the house. Major update. That's impressive.
That's a big deal.
And as I'm looking around, I hope that this noise isn't going to mind-numbingly hurt our audience.
It does if you work here all day. It does. It gets to you.
I feel like I can't talk. I feel like I can't focus because of the flapping.
Do you want me to go rip that one off so it's not flapping? Because I can.
Maybe. No, this will be fine. And then, what do I see here?
It's all of our plumbing.
All of our plumbing. Joel, our plumbing is done. Can you believe that? I'm sure you can believe that because, you did it.
The plumbing I can't believe because it went so fast. That one just doesn't, I can't wrap my head around how fast the plumbing went.
Nice.
Because I laid every piece of this you see, every piece of PEX I put in, I ran all of those lines. All of my waste lines, which is what these are, and vents, my plumber put in for me because I didn't want to deal with that stuff.
Yeah, nice. So what's next? What's next on the docket? We're in the process of getting windows.
HVAC.
Oh, that's right, HVAC.
My gas guy called me a tin banger the other day.
What does that mean?
Just that's his term for HVAC guys, banging on all that tin, and it's loud and obnoxious, but
okay.
We're getting there.
Okay, how long do you think this is going to take realistically?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah, right.
In 2 weeks, my HVAC company comes to land all of our furnaces. That's the one thing you can't do as a homeowner, is land those. And so they have to come do that in 2 weeks. They come do that. So I have to have all my ducks and stuff.
So in 2 weeks, we have to be completely wrapped up with that, and then we start sheetrock, right?
We can start sheetrock.
Okay. Do you think you'll be done? Like, is that a realistic timeline, or is it, you know?
Yeah, I think it's realistic. I do. It's arduous, but it's realistic.
All right. And that includes us taking the weekend off, right?
Yeah, I'm taking this weekend.
It's incredible what the insulation and the windows have done for us.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And that not all the windows are in. You can see today we're actually in the process of doing the windows. They're not all in. But I did want to give, you know, the update because it's starting to feel different. That wind, that noise, it drives me insane.
You have no idea.
I'm sure I have no idea, but just trying to think and trying to put my thoughts together with all those things flapping, holy cow. And my toes are frozen.
Really?
Yes.
You're wearing the wrong kind of boots. You want to wear mine?
Yeah, take them off, trade me.
Okay.
You can wear my pink boots. I can wear your boots. How come your boots aren't covered in mud?
They are. It just blends in. It's not contrasting.
I yake our boots. Joel, it's really cool to see your trunk line for the vents. Good job. I've seen Joel do this before. And it feels a little odd, but you know, here we are.
Oh, James taught me this.
Did he?
Yeah. And me and him, we'd never done it before, but he's like, I'd heard about this. That was back before you like could just YouTube everything. It's like, I read about this. Let's try.
So we're just gonna mix up this concrete on top of a tarp. And then what is this supposed to go into? Here's the shower. All the plumbing is now done in the shower, so we're gonna fill that in. Is that the plan? Okay.
I may not have needed 4 bags. We'll see.
You don't think you need 4 bags?
I don't know.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, honey.
Hey, that was your job. You had one job. I didn't tell you that.
All right, here we go. This is very exciting. It's like bring your wife to work day, you know?
It's a lot like bring your kids to work, but less gets done.
No, yeah, I was gonna say your kids are more useful than I am. I smacked my hand trying to lay this tarp out, and I was like, I'm done.
Sell the house. Okay. How are we gonna do this?
You need 2 hands.
You're gonna need 2 hands.
Okay,
Do you
bye
want a
guys.
tripod?
No, bye. Well, you should have seen how strong I was. I think it was the new gloves, honey.
I think it was.
I really do.
Don't you be walking away with those gloves. Those are mine.
No, they're mine.
Okay.
You think, okay, all right. Let's go mix up another bag.
Attitudes. Ready?
Finished product looks pretty good. Almost finished product looks pretty good.
Yeah. It's gonna turn out great.
Look, yeah. I was really excited because Olivia was like, I'll clean the kitchen for you. So she meant clean the kitchen except for the dishes. And you know what? I'll tell you what. She cleaned the kitchen except for the dishes. And you know, I'll take it. At this point in the day, I'm gonna take it. Olivia. Did you
I was just picking up this.
Did you do the dishes?
No.
I saw that. I went in and I was like, oh,
I picked up, but I was like, I'm so tired. But I mean, I put away all the shoes ladies fed.
Oh, do you know what?
Potty. I'm cleaning up the basement now.
Truth be told, I like laughed at it. I went in and I was like, oh, she did the kitchen. Like, it looks really nice. And then I saw the dishes aren't done. I was like, you know what? Considering everything Olivia does, I am literally not even mad.
Sorry,
Okay.
I'm pausing it
Dance
because-
Moms Is that what it's called?
Uh-huh.
Is it Dance Moms?
Yeah.
Why do you guys like it?
Because
The kids have been loving
all 4 of us kids are all like, no, she should not be crying. She needs to toughen up. And then the aunts were like, so did this mom leave? Did Abby yell at her? Did this happen? It's the funniest thing. I've never seen Cody or Boston criticize somebody so much. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a good or bad thing that you guys are watching
I
this.
mean, we're all agreeing, though. We all agree on it. We're all like, yeah.
That is so funny. Okay, and honestly,
Don't even look back there.
What? What is? I don't see anything. It's fine. We're fine. It's all fine. Okay. Good night, everybody.
Good night.